And there is no single colleges and universities, they are talking about the practice of love, practice of compassion. So therefore, today we can see there are many people who are highly educated, graduated from these colleges and universities, but they are becoming a more troublemaker in our societies. Now it is time that we have to combine the modern education with the Indian classical knowledge. So I humbly request to the government of India, educationists of India, we have to come together, and it is a time that we can introduce both traditions, modern education and ancient Indian knowledge, to our young generation, that they can receive the complete knowledge.